Good morning, children. Welcome back to online English online class. Last class, I was teaching you the sentences, right? And I started giving you the answers also for the exercises which they have given in the textbook. Today, we'll continue and we'll finish off the sentences. Okay. I was in the page number 8th main. I was in the 8th main. We'll continue today we'll continue and we'll finish off. And one more thing, one more important thing I want to tell you, many students are using 100 pages book. I told you very clearly to use 192 pages single line book, one for classwork and one for homework. And I told you to use only the blue gel pen to write the classwork and as well as homework also, isn't it? And I can understand, children, if you are having previous years books, notebooks, you can use that book only for classwork or for homework. If you are having 200 pages, last year you'll be using first 2 pages, only first 2 pages, and you'll be leaving all other book blankly, right? You can use that book, that books for this year if you are having. Okay, if you are not having, please purchase the book from the school, or else if you want to purchase the book from outside, from stationery shop, you take 200 pages book, single line book, and write the notes. Write the notes neatly, children. Don't write the bridge course in the classwork. Write in the homework book. Write the bridge course, and which I taught you in the bridge course, all the grammar parts, right? You can write those all things in the homework book. Don't write in the classwork book. I'm mentioning very clearly in this class. Okay, we'll start with the exercises. Okay, today in the last class I taught you 8th main. I didn't complete. Today we'll complete. Okay, fourth one, 8th main, fourth one. Yes, all the students were present. Yes, all the students were present. What is the answer for that? Where all the students present. Yeah, sorry for the disturbance, children. Yeah, fourth one. Yeah, they have given you the question. Yes, all the students were present. Yes, all the students were present. Answer for that answer, were all the students present? At the end of the sentence, you have to put the question mark. Fifth one, we'll go for the fifth one. Yes, I can help you with this. Yes, I can help you with this. Answer, can you help me with this? Help me with this. Question mark. Next main, we'll go for the 9th main. 9th main. Alternative questions are questions that can have 2 or more alternative answers. 2 or more alternative answers in order words. You are giving a choice. You are giving a choice. Make alternative questions for the following as shown. Alternative questions. You have to frame a question. Alternative questions. Okay. Make alternative questions for the following as shown. First one. I prefer vanilla to chocolate ice cream. I prefer vanilla to chocolate ice cream. What they have given you the answer. One example. Would you prefer vanilla or chocolate vanilla or chocolate ice cream? Would you prefer vanilla or chocolate ice cream? They have given you one example how to write. Okay, second one, you can call me or send me a message. Second one, you can call me or send me a message. Second one answer, will you call me or send me a message. Will you call me or send me a message? Second one answer for 9th May. Okay, you have to use the pencil to write in the grammar textbook. Don't use pen to write in the grammar textbook. You have to use the pencil. Okay, don't forget to write in the pencil. Third one, what is the third one? I want tea, not coffee. I want tea, not coffee. How you will frame the question for this? Would you like tea or coffee? Would you like, tea or coffee? Would you like tea or coffee? Fourth one, you can wait here or come with me. You can wait here or come with me. Would you like to wait here or come with me? Would you like to wait here or come with me? Fourth one. Fifth one, I prefer vegetarian to non-vegetarian food. How you will frame the question for this? I prefer vegetarian to non-vegetarian food. Fifth one answer, how you are going to frame the question. Would you prefer vegetarian or non-vegetarian food? Fifth one answer, would you prefer vegetarian or non-vegetarian food? Complete this, children. Pause the video and please complete this in your grammar textbook. Then only you can read for the test. So please complete this in your grammar textbook. Pause the video and please complete it. Okay, I'll give you 2 minutes to complete this and I will move for the next main. We'll move for the next main. Next main, WH questions. 10th main. We are going for 10th main. WH questions begin with question words that begin with the letters W or H. W or H. Exam, they have given in the bracket which are the words. WH words. WHO who, why, WHY why, WHAT what, WHERE where, WHEN when, WHICH which, WHOSE whose, whom, WHOM whom, HOW how, HOW how much, how many, how long, how often, how far. These are the question words which the starting word will be H or W. Make WH questions for the following. Make WH questions for the following. First one, they have given the meaning of this word is happy. The meaning of this word is happy. How you will frame the question for this? First one. First one. What is the meaning of this word? Answer. What is the meaning of this word? The meaning of this word is happy. How you will frame the question for this? What is the meaning of this word? Second one, we go to a restaurant once a month. We go to a restaurant once a month. How you will frame the question for this? How often do you go to a restaurant? To a restaurant. How often do you go to a restaurant? Third one. The airport is 18 kilometers from here. The airport is 18 kilometers from here. Answer. How you will frame the question for this? How far? How far is the airport from here? From here. Fourth one. She has 3 pens. She has 3 pens. How many pens does she have? How many pens does she have? How many pens does she have? Fifth one. This mobile phone cost 1,000 rupees. This mobile phone cost 1,000 rupees. How you will frame the question for this? How much does this mobile phone cost? Mobile phone cost. Sixth one. I bought this dress at the mall. I bought this dress at the mall. Where did you buy this dress? Where did you buy this dress? Where did you buy this dress? Seventh one. My favorite color is blue. My favorite color is blue. What is your favorite color? What is your favorite? What is your favorite color? What is your favorite color? 8th one. She is with her father. She is with her father. You can use who or whom. Okay. Who is she with? Whom is she with? 9th one. These books are mine. These books are mine. Whose books are this? 9th one. Whose books are with? Are this? 10th one. I am not laughing. I am not laughing. Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing? You have to put the question mark at the end because this is a question. Make WH questions for the following. You have to frame the questions. So you have to put the question mark at the end. Okay, without fail. And don't think that ma'am will not correct the grammar book. Why should we complete? You have to complete to read for the test. We'll be asking you to bring this grammar textbook also in a week. Okay. Next, we'll go for the next main. Write this, children. Copy this. I'll give you 2 minutes to copy this. Pause this video and complete it, children. Okay. Now I'll erase this and we'll move for the next main. Okay. 11th main. Pause this video and try to complete it. Don't keep pending works. Okay. Later it will be big burden to complete all the things at a time. Okay. Please complete all the work. Many students have not come to submit the classworks and homework. Some students have brought the homework and some students have not brought the classworks. So please bring both together, classwork as well as the homework. Classwork and as well as the homework you have to bring for the correction. The next 11th main. 11th main. Tag questions are short questions attached at the end of the declarative sentence. At the end of the declarative sentence, they change a declarative sentence to an interrogative sentence. Add question tags to the following as shown. To the following as shown. First one. He is our teacher. For one example they have given. First one they have given example. A is not he. Is not he. Tag questions or short questions attached at the end of the declarative sentence. Short questions. They change a declarative sentence to an interrogative sentence. After you attach this, it will be an interrogative sentence. From the declarative sentence to an interrogative sentence. Add a question tags to the following as shown. You have to add short questions to change the declarative sentence into interrogative sentence. First one they have given. Second one, You are coming to the party. They have given you are coming to the party. Answer, are not you. Are not you. Third one, you speak English. You speak English. What is the answer for that? Don't you? Don't you? At the end, you have to put the question mark without fail. Okay. Fourth one, they won the match. They won the match. Fourth one, did not. Did not. They. Fifth one, he lives here. Fifth one, he lives here. He lives here. Does not he? Sorry, doesn't he? Sixth one, you will help me. You will help me. Won't you? Won't you? Won't you help me? She has got a job. She has got a job. Seventh one. Does not she? Eighth one. They have come. Have not they? Have not. Ninth one. She has a mobile phone. She has a mobile phone. Does not she? Tenth one, they have a car. They have a car. Don't they? You are framing short questions. Don't they? We have completed the 11th main. We are going to move for the 12th main. 12th main. Pick the right answer. Pick the right answer. First one, it was not my fault. It was not my fault. They have given two options for this. One is was it and one more is was not it. First one answer is was it. Was it. The second one, we have done our job. We have done our job. They have given two options for that. Don't we? Have not we? The second one answer, haven't we? You should apologize for this. You should apologize for this. Should you or should not you? The answer will be should not. Fourth one, she does not like him. She does not like him. They have given two options. Does she? Does not she. Fourth one is does she. Fifth one, he is going home from school. He is going home from school. They have given two options. One is he or is not he. The fifth one is not he. Sixth one, the guest will come for dinner. The guest will come for dinner. They have given two options. They will they, won't they? Will they or won't they? The answer is won't they. Seventh one, the weather is really bad today. Seventh one, the weather is really bad today. They have given two options in this. He is not it or is it. He is not it. Seventh one is not it. Eighth one, let us go for a movie. Let us go for a movie. Shall we? Will we? Shall we? Right? Shall we? Ninth one. Penguins cannot fly. Penguins cannot fly. They have given two options. Can they? Cannot they? Which is the answer for this? Can they? The last one in this, you don't know me. You don't know me. They have given two options for this. Do you? Don't you? Do you or don't you? 10th one is do you. Okay, children, you have copied this. Copy this in your grammar textbook using the pencil. Don't use the pen. Copy this. I'll give you 2 minutes to copy. Okay. We'll move to the next main, children. Pause this video and complete this in your grammar textbook. Okay. Don't keep incomplete work. We'll go for the 12th main. Read the passage. Read the passage. Sorry, 13th main. It's 13th main. Read the passage below. I'm going to read the passage and we'll we'll write the answers. Okay. One day Sheetal visited his uncle's farm. He had gone there with his family. He had gone with his family for a quiet picnic. While his family sat inside the house after lunch, Sheetal walked into a field nearby. He sat under a huge banyan tree and enjoyed the cool breeze. Suddenly, he saw some bees buzzing around him. Sheetal sat motionless. He said to himself, please leave me alone. Please leave me alone. And go and find some flowers to make your honey. For whom he is telling? For honey. Bee. A bee landed on his nose. Another bee buzzed near his eyes. What could he do? Nothing at all. After a little while, the bees flew away into the distance without doing him any harm. What a relief. What a relief. This was the passage, children. Now we are going to answer this. What type of sentences are this? They are asking what type of sentences are this. First one in this, they have given, first one I'll read out for you. Sheetal walked into a field nearby. Sheetal walked into a field nearby. It's a declarative sentence. It's a declarative sentence. They're asking which type of sentences. They have given some sentence. They are asking which type of sentence is that. please leave me alone. The second one is please leave me alone. Its second one is imperative sentence. Imperative sentence. Third one, what could he do? What could he do? You know, for which we'll call it as question sentence, right? What could he do? It's which sentence is this, children? It's a interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. The fourth one, last one in this, what a relief. What a relief. What type of sentence is this? Exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence. Hope you have understood this name. Read the passage and you have to answer. They are not asking you to answer. They are asking which type of sentence is that which they have given you. Okay. First one is declarative sentence. Second one is imperative sentence. Third one is interrogative sentence. And the fourth one is exclamatory sentence. Complete this in your textbook, children, grammar textbook. Hope you have understood this. What is sentence? What different kinds of sentences? We have completed this exercise. We'll go for the next exercise in the next class. Okay, you have to complete till in your textbook with your pencil. With the pencil, don't use the pen. You have to use the pencil to complete this. Okay, and don't keep incomplete work. Don't keep blank papers when you're giving the book for correction. Don't bring blank books. Okay, complete it and bring. Okay, in the next class we'll go for the articles. Next class we'll go for the articles. Okay, children, copy this neatly. Okay, thank you, children.